Hey YouTube, this is Jared with Omnivore Blade Works. This is June 19th in the Armory, and we have a wall full of goodies, things that are coated, still need sheaths and sharpening, some needs handles. We've got on the left some Kodiaks, green on green, and then down there we got some more Kodiaks, and various other things. ETA tomahawks are about ready, and then other old stuff. This is a new product that it's sort of an ode to Bowie knives. It's got a great big old guard on it, and then these teeth on the back are a blade catcher, and it's just sort of a new concept in Bowie knives. It's big MF and Bowie. So I'm going to test this out pretty soon and see how it goes. Behind that is a Tiger Shark, which I still haven't figured a sheath out for, but that's 01, and I got 3 of those. I probably want to sell those. If somebody wants them, let me know. And then I've got some Jackal tomahawks. This is a black standard one. Then behind that is the new Highland camouflage, which is OD, forest green, and Highland green. And then behind that I've got sort of like looks like a Smith gray, or no, Smith brown and dark earth camo, just real faint tiger stripe looking camo. And then I've got the Anubis down here with a front spike on it. It turned out pretty cool. So I've got to make a special sheath for this. So the guy who's waiting for this one has a little bit longer to wait, but this is sort of a cutting front spike. It'll be very sharp. I'm going to move out to, then there's the Camp Axe. This is OD green, and I've got a handle that I'm going to bolt onto that sucker, but I still haven't figured the sheath out just yet. So still a lot more to do. There's some canine pommel jackals that are getting ready. Lots of things that are about ready to go. Also, I have the Tanuki American Contemporary Katana, which I'm going to send to my friend Adam, who does a lot of Kenjutsu. And he's going to do some cut testing with it and see how the blade performs compared to a traditional piece. And then I also have Arctodus that I've showed you before, which I haven't tested yet, but it's badass. And it's got a wooden sheath with a magnetic lock. I took this to the blade show and everybody thought it was pretty cool. So I'm going to try that out before too long and make a video testing. The weather's so awful right now, don't want to go outside. Then I've got a lot of sheaths in production, or in between operations. So I've got some Molly panels fastened to the one side, and then I've got Jackal sheaths and more regular tomahawk sheaths over here, halves and spacers. So I just got to do a lot of assembly work here and get everything fitted. And then going back out into the main shop area, I wanted to show you that I still have plenty of Kodiaks that need to be straightened and coated, but I can't coat because it's too humid. And I have plenty of sheaths. I still have some green, and I'm shopping around for more. So actually the sheath debacle with the lack of tan and lack of green was just a hiccup, so I can get more. I'm going to be ordering that probably next week. So that's going to be in production. And then this is a can of sawdust, which came out of my CNC router. That's all from the CNC router. And what was in the vacuum cleaner, I have not cleaned this out yet at all. This is just a testament to the efficiency of the Dust Deputy Cyclone Dust Separator. That's all that was in the bottom of the vacuum cleaner, so get a Dust Deputy. It looks like this. and you can hook it up to any shop vac. You just got to improvise a couple things. Or you can get this is my other setup for my shop vac, and it's just got a barrel. I came with the steel set. This is a steel one, and I got that because I thought it might be better for toting around the floor and maybe beating it up a little bit. But I'm going to be running more handles and grips and stuff on the CNC router, because I have some pieces of micarta there that are already cut to size, and then I'll be running them through my various handle jigs on my router table station, and then they'll go from being two-dimensional blanks like this to three-dimensional routed pieces like this. And then after that I gotta countersink all the holes and do a little bit of belt sanding, and then they'll be ready to mount up. So just wanted to give you a status report. Also have more laser cut blanks here. These are probably all 2-spec instead of the ones that were messed up. So I've got some more standard Kodiaks instead of the ones with the weird hooks on them. And then I'm gonna have 4 of these Direwolf blades with the D guard, and 4 without the D guard, like this. And then this will be the basis for my new trench knife, and the new Bowie knife, you saw that inside. And then the Megalodon, I'll have 4 more of those. And then 4 of these, which is like a one-hand Imamba, probably call it the taipan, after the deadly, I don't remember where it comes from, Philippine snake maybe. And then 4 katanas, 4 Arctodus, and 4 Murder 2s, which are 2-handed Gladius. That's all I got for you tonight. This next week I'm going to be helping get ready for my sister's wedding, so I may be MIA for a little while. Over and out.